In the previous video, we created an AOF curve or deliverability curve using well test data. However, well test data, if it can be found at all, is usually out of date. If older well test data is available, and the reservoir is in boundary dominated flow, and we can make an assumption that the N and C values remain constant, then we can predict current deliverability by only updating the reservoir pressure. For example, if we see that this well test information is from last year, but now know that our average reservoir pressure is 800 psi, then we can click on Calculate Additional AOF Curves and then enter the current pressure to create a second deliverability curve that should apply to our current situation. If we re-enable our tuning conformance curve, then we can see the operating points for both curves. As mentioned previously, nodal analysis is usually performed with the node at the sand face, or bottom hole. However, if the node is at the surface, then we can more easily see the effects of wellhead pressure on deliverability. The main drawback for wellhead AOF curves is that they require a wellbore. To see a wellhead deliverability curve, click on the Calculate Wellhead AOF checkbox. Then choose the wellbore configuration and the ratios that you'd like to use. Finally, use the Wellhead TPC toggle button to switch the plot to show a wellhead AOF. Here, the dotted points indicate liquid loading, where the solid line indicates natural flow.